think we're gonna title this vlog, "We Almost Got Eaten by a T-Rex."
That's actually true. That happens at the end. It's not even lying.
Not even lying. I think that's what we're gonna title it.
Good afternoon, guys. So it is our second to last day here in Orlando, and we are back at Universal Studios for our second day here. And so if you watched our other vlog, you know that we got rained out on our first day here at Universal, and so we're going back through and we're gonna enjoy some of the attractions that we kind of had to rush or not fully enjoy. The kids are excited to see more of Harry Potter and some of the superheroes and things, and so we're gonna have some fun here this afternoon, and then probably go back and swim at our hotel this evening. But it's gonna be fun. It's a beautiful day, and so I'm glad that the weather is cooperating with us this time. Woo!
You want to become a minion, buddy? We're being turned into minions.
It's gonna be so fun.
Your problem solving and teamwork skills. Finally across! These are the best minions ever! You're just a banana!
So a few of the big kids are gonna go on that big ride right there.
We're all going.
And
you're going, we're all going.
yeah, Reese and I are gonna stay with the little ones because that would obviously not be safe. He's gonna, Linky's falling asleep. Linky is definitely falling asleep. It's nap time. Oh! Okay, so
This might explain why he didn't want to get his picture taken
with the minions. Yeah, he was fighting that. I was like, why? Why doesn't he want the minions?
The pictures are the best ever. It's like when you take your 1-year-old to visit Santa.
That's exactly what I thought. I know, he was like, get me out of here, poor guy.
That was amazing.
I was like, this is not gonna work, we gotta go. All right, you guys have fun and meet us right back here. They've got the they've got the fast pass. Woo, that's awesome. Ethan's saying his goodbyes.
Yeah,
He'll be right back, buddy.
he keeps saying, I wish you don't die.
Oh, yeah, please don't.
I said, Ethan, do you want to get some Dippin' Dots? And he goes, what's Dippin' Dots?
Oh, you're like, well, let me show you. Do you want to try a special kind of ice cream? Let's go see. Here you go. You want to give it a shot? What do you think? Is it good? Is it cold? Yeah. So cold. It's kind of cool though, isn't it? He is out, guys. Oh, tired boy baby. Okay, so we found a shady spot here. There's this big theater here that we're just sitting on the lawn eating our ice cream and we're watching. Woo! That might have been them.
That kind of sounded like that.
Do you think that was them going down that? No? Nope, that wasn't them.
Every 2 seconds you just hear the in and out of, oh.
Yeah, you just hear people screaming.
Guys, that ride was crazy. Total drop off. Oh my god.
Always legit.
I hope we can get the video from it because Liam kind of looked like he was about to maybe die. I don't know. He was like,
in the front.
we'll see if we can't get that and show that right here. But we're pretty excited because this park has so many rides that are great for Lincoln. Sort of like 3D, 4D type rides. We're gonna go ride Jimmy Fallon's Race Through New York. We're gonna ride Transformers, Men in Black, another couple Harry Potter rides today. Pretty excited.
Yeah.
So Lincoln can ride most of them, which is awesome.
Yeah.
He meets the height requirement because he's a giant baby.
By like an inch, but he's loving it. Like he does not
loving
get
it.
scared about anything, and so
loving
it's been cool. I'm trying to capture his like expression on some of these rides that are not too fast. But, it's so cute because it's like he's just thrilled. He's clapping and cheering, and I love that he can ride a lot of these
It's
rides.
amazing. And we got Mannheim Steamroller sound checking right now, which is pretty rad. They're going to do a concert tonight. I don't know if we're going to be able to stick around for that, but we'll
the
see.
kids really want to swim at our
They
hotel
really
too,
wanna
and we've
swim.
only done that once.
Yeah.
Autobots,
think?
He loved it.
He
Oh
was
my God.
smiling. I looked back a couple of times.
so
Linky! He was laughing.
The bullet came to your face and my face too.
You found your name on that keychain? What,
What'd you think, Ethan? Was that fun?
Yeah,
told you
he
it was
liked it.
fun.
He was a little nervous going on, and then he loved it. It was so funny. At one point, there was like a bullet that was coming straight towards our face, and it was hot, like there was actual heat. I heard Penelope say, "Yeah, that's what I'm talking about."
This is how you look at Rio.
It very much felt real. Yeah.
I want to do Jimmy Fallon's Race Through New York.
Yeah.
Let's go over there. You want you to just
I
keep?
love me some Jimmy Fallon.
You want to do Jimmy Fallon?
Let's go. Do Jimmy Fallon's Race Through New York.
All right.
If you're pregnant or your blood pressure's abnormal, I'm sorry, this simply isn't a suitable ride for you. Other people were unable to allow remission of those with various back, neck, or heart conditions.
You don't want him, huh?
Here we go. In 5, 4, 3.
And here he is once again, Jimmy Fallon!
Hey, it is time for the Race Through New York. What'd you think, buddy? Did you like it? Did you like that ride? I liked it. I thought you would like it, buddy. I think he liked the glasses, man. He was putting them on, taking them off over and over again, cracking up. Did you like racing? Yeah, me too.
He reached over at one point and held my hand and was just like smiling so good.
Oh, I think he wants Mama. He's been trying to get Mom all day. Oh my gosh, yeah. So, I think Reese met her future husband, actually.
He looked exactly like me.
Yeah.
I missed my shot. I should have asked him for his number.
Okay, so here's what we're gonna do.
right there.
Tonight,
Stop pointing.
tonight we're gonna go onto the classifieds in the local newspaper or Craigslist classifieds, and we're gonna write to the boy I saw at the Jimmy Fallon Race Through New York in the front row next to me. We kept making eye contact, and I thought that maybe you wanted to ask me out, but I was too scared to go say hi. If you're reading this, let's
If you're
connect. If you're ruling.
Oh, guys. Cool, guys. Thank you. I'll say bye.
Have you anything to say? The party's over.
He's like, okay. They're a little bit smaller than you, huh? Hey, remember that time that we were here and it was pouring down rain?
Pouring down rain, and we were all wearing ponchos and.
Not today. You guys ready to try some butter beer?
Yeah, I tried that.
Yeah, Lincoln's like, yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah, let's do it. The chocolate frogs.
Dumbledore.
First time trying butter beer. What's the consensus?
What is that?
Sorry, I like the
It tastes like cream soda.
It's so good.
Cheers. Did you taste it, Lincoln? Lincoln had a taste and he liked it.
I think he likes the butter beer.
Yeah, he does.
All right, we're gonna be finishing out the night with a classic, little Jurassic Park, you know.
Yeah, so it's been really fun to get to do some of the rides and things that we missed last time because of the rain. And so it's been a blast, and we are going to finish it up, like Steven said, with Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park.
And everyone can do this one, so I'm excited about that. Lincoln has loved every ride that we've gone on, so that has been so fun that the whole family has gotten to enjoy so many of these rides.
That's true.
So let's go ride.
Let's go get eaten by a T-Rex.
Let's do it.
Or not, you know. We might make it out alive.
We might
don't
make it
know.
out alive.
We don't know. Comment down below if
Do
you
you
think
think-
we're gonna make it out alive.
We're doing one more ride.
You ready to ride it, bud?
We're ready.
You guys are prepared.
We're gonna get soaked.
Welcome to Jurassic Park. These 27 miles as the mighty chrysler of
Do you like that, buddy?
He's braver than me. I screamed. He screamed too.
You like that guy?
We got really wet, actually. That was a little scary for Ethan. He didn't like the T-Rex.
Uh-oh.
Saw the T-Rex, he goes,
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
I like had to cover his face. I was like, no. So the kids are gonna swim for a little bit this evening, and I think that's just a perfect way to end our last full night here at Disney. We've had a blast here at Disney this past week. It's been such a blessing, and we're so thankful that Make-A-Wish has given Lincoln and our whole family this opportunity. It's just been so many special memories made this week, and so we fly home tomorrow evening, so we'll see you tomorrow, guys.